Let's see how to export your WordPress data. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Ultimate CSV Importer Pro. Select Export section. Here all the post type module are listed. Select your desired post type and click on Continue. In the next section, I already have some saved mapping, but I'm going to create a new one. In the next page, I am adding a file name and choosing the CSV format type. If you want, you can choose XLS or XML format. Then we have more options to filter the data. Filters like export data with auto delimiters, export CSV to Google Sheet, and just exporting data for a specified time period. Exporting data based on post status. We may also export by authors. Just choose the authors from the drop-down menu and export. Only export the particular type of data depending on post ID and category. Additionally, export based on the post title. Also, select the specific fields under Specific Inclusion section and export. Like import, you can do the scheduled export too. Once done, click on Export button. Now it's completed. Click on Download button to get the exported file. Let's check our page for more videos. Thanks for watching.